in my own world. I am plastic. Call me cloud.
Hey berries, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make a cute little setup so you and your friend or friends could watch some fireworks. Please subscribe if you haven't already to become a berry. Hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video, and give this video a like if you like it. I do giveaways in the I'm going to be doing some giveaways in the future, and I'm going to be doing some shout outs. So I encourage y'all to read the description and all of my stuff. I either shout my friends out in the description, or I usually tell y'all something in the description. But I want to thank y'all so much for almost 50 subscribers. I am so happy, and I can't believe that our family has grown. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to go, and you want to put this a little bit farther back than the street, and about 2 blocks. Put it behind the 2 block mark. I'm going to do it a little bit farther. So I'm going to do it right here. Okay, so now you're going to go build, and you're going to go to walls, and then you're just going to do a straight wall for a few blocks. Like that. And then, of course, color it whatever color you want. We're just going to do this plain brown, and then for this, and then the same for the other side. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and go to the floor, and we're just going to do a thin floor line. One more time, to build one more time, and we're going to go and roof. And get the flat roof. That's really important to do the flat roof. And then you're just going to go out as far as you can. Oh, let's try it one more time. And then, of course, okay. So now we got basically our base done. You can also add walls if you would like to. I don't know if it will let you. Let me see real quick. I was thinking of. It's not going to let you add curtains because it's not a window. Those were shutters. Yeah, it won't let you add curtains because it's not a window, of course. But if you like, you can keep it plain like this, but I'm going to add the walls. I'm just going to do the wall 1 block up, and then for the second one, I'm going to do 1 block up. Or you could just leave it plain, to be honest. I'm making it aesthetic. So. Also, you can add whatever you would like. This is just what I'm adding. Okay, so now that we got that, I'm gonna go ahead and go. I think it's in comfort. Yes, it's in comfort. I like these chairs. Get whatever chairs your heart desires. Okay, so now I'm just going to set these closer to each other. Okay, so now I'm going to go into tables, and I'm going to get this $90 table, the rustic end table. I'm just going to set that down right in the middle. Let me move this real quick, actually, and then let me go in here, and then duplicate that, and let's come out like that. Okay, and now we're going to put our end table right there. Okay, so far it's going good. Now we're just going to get some lamps, or I meant some light switches. I like the one that has a very warm color. And now let me get I meant lights, not light switches. I'm so sorry. And then now let me get a light switch. Put that right there. Right there, okay. Just a minute. Ooh. Over. Okay, so now I'm going to go into decorations. Of course, decorate whatever you like. I have a few things in mind. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a little bit more aesthetic. I'm going to get the floor pants that I want. And there was I don't know what it is. Okay, well it goes on your ceiling. But I'm just going to do something here. And I'm going to color everything in. Usually I use artichoke for any of the plants I have. To make everything aesthetic, I usually use light colors, but at the same time, I do use some dark colors. So for chairs, I usually do a brown rim, and then I usually use a white, just a white plain chair with these plaid. For all of my greenery, I usually just use sage green, and usually white. And then for all my carpets, I use white, and then for all my tables, I just use a light linen brown. And then for my appliances, I use like the beige color. Okay, well, I'm going to get this thing. This is in the new update. I think it is so cute. I think we're gonna do it down there. Okay. Okay, so the reason that I got the little table is for food, beverages, anything like that. Now let's go and get the fireworks. We're gonna set them out, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I'm so excited. Okay, so the firework place, if y'all don't know, it's right in front of Mike's Motors. So let's go in front of Mike's Motors. Right here. Okay. So here's where all the fireworks are. Basically, you buy it. Okay, let's see. We're gonna buy some mini rockets. We're gonna buy a big firework also. Oh, what happened? I think I pressed but I have no clue what just happened. I think I have no clue actually. I'm gonna reset. Oh wait, we got back home, darn it. Okay. Respawn. Okay, let's go back and get all of our fireworks. Okay, here we are. Let's go ahead and just hurry up and get these. Fountain firework. Oh no. Huge firework. No. Confetti popper. Yeah, I'll buy a confetti popper. Sparkler. Okay, well, I think I bought that one already. Okay, well, now let's go home and let's do our confetti poppers and stuff. And also the confetti popper you can get in build mode if you want. So yeah, let's go home. Okay, so now if you, how to get your stuff is you go in build mode and you press inventory. And then there are your fireworks. There's my big rocket and then my mini rockets. And then, oh, the confetti poppers are on, so I'm just gonna go inside and set them on my table. Okay, so now decorate new confetti popper. If you go to the place where you get buy the fireworks, it is cheaper to get that confetti popper than these. And then I usually just like to get some watermelon and just set it out on the table. Now I'm gonna take my confetti popper. Now we go over here. And now we have a cute little spot. This is like my favorite. I love it. Oh, look how cute that was. And then, of course, you would light your... And then sit down. And then just watch it. Or you could just go... Whoa, look at that, guys. Okay, berries. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my friends' channels. It's down in the description. So I'm gonna go now, but I love you guys so much. Happy New Year's, and yeah. Stay positive. Peace out. Love you guys so much. Bye.